So excited about this. I have been wanting this and to try it out and to see if it maybe improves my skin quality. And I feel like it's going to be very helpful for me. Let's get this box open and see what we have.
This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Right here it comes with the pink Dermaplaning tool. It also came with instruction and manual. It comes with a scrub tip, a charger, and a facial removal blade. The charger is a Type-C charger. Now let's get the diamond tip blade on it, and I can show you how it exfoliates without any chemicals. Now this helps remove all of the debris that you have on your skin that you really don't want to have. It does have 3 different speed levels to meet all of your expectations and needs. The Dermaplaning kit does come with 6 different replacement blades. I really like the design. It was easy to hold. Now they suggest that you do put oil or have your face be wet when you are using the Dermaplaning tool. The LED light really helps everything just be more visible and clear. And the machine itself is very quiet. You can actually hear it in the background a little. It honestly is so easy to use this, and my face felt so soft after I got done. I'm going to zoom in on what came off of my face just in that quick time that I was using this. Look how great that this does work. All in all, I think this is a great dermaplaning tool, and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.